What did you get?
Broken.
Let's try them. This is Lily's first time on skates in the house. You got it? Can you roll?
I can't. I have it on a wheel.
Ready? Come here. Ready? Move your foot. Yay!
I got one my face. I got one my coat.
You should have to wear your helmet. You're right. But Mommy's holding your hand right now. Ooh! Careful. Who's super? Yay, Lily! Can you say yay? How excited! All right, Lily, look at me. Say, go Molly Roger Roller Girls.